Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Banu. This is a bamboo leaf extract with a organic blue spirulina and purified water. I've never seen this before. And I was at the grocery store, so I was like, whoa, that's cool. And then the orange blossom. And let me show you the ingredients here. In the back, there's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Ingredients are right there. So it's got purified water, bamboo leaf, and then you got some blue spirulina, stevia, and lactic acid and citric acid. So let's do a quick taste test. All right. So there's no the smell, the aroma. It smells like a citrus, so like a 7-Up sort of thing. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, this reminds me of the Asian sugarcane drink. So in Asia, they sold a sugarcane drink where they actually crushed sugarcane, and then basically they mix it with water, and then you can actually drink it on the streets. So it actually reminds me of that. So it's subtly sweet, and basically a little bit of a sour, like not sour, just a hint of sour notes to it, like a lemon sort of note to it. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.